Hello, everyone. Good morning. I'm Mr. Noriel Ilastrolio, and today I'll be presenting step 4 implementation details of our group social marketing and social mobilization plan for the campaign You Bay Before Anyone Else. This campaign or advocacy redefines the term "bae" from a romantic expression into a call for self-prioritization, encouraging Filipino youth to put their health before anyone else by getting tested for HIV. So here's the topic outline, and I will be focusing on step our campaign. Number one, to maximize the use of influencers, the current advocates to increase digital reach for Filipino influencers and celebrities. Number two, to create a duration plan for the campaign. Number three, to develop 4 Ps, such as product, price, place, and promotion. Four, to create messaging framework and hashtags. Five, to design content strategy, social media posts, and videos. Six, to make a lead execution of digital campaign, content calendar, posting plan, and engagement strategy. So for our campaign, we will be focusing else. These campaigns aim to normalize HIV testing, reduce stigma, and promote accessible health services through a digital first approach. Step 4 focuses on how the campaign will be implemented, from influencer engagement and content creation to messaging frameworks and community outreach. This strategy integrates both online and offline mobilization, ensuring inclusivity for audiences with limited internet access. For our objective number one, use of influencers, this is to maximize digital reach. The campaign will collaborate with Filipino influencers and celebrities who are current advocates of HIV awareness. Because according to Freiberg et al., last 2011, influencers act as trusted voices that can shape public perception and normalize sensitive topics. Their participation will help humanize the message, making HIV testing appear routine, responsible, and socially endorsed. For our objective number two, for our objective number two, the campaign will run for 6 months, from May to October 2026, following a phased timeline. Number one, awareness launch. Number two, testing promotion. Three, interactive engagement. Number four, human stories. Number five, community education. Number six, the final evaluation. This structure ensures sustained engagement and measurable impact across digital platforms. And for our objective number three, for our objective number three, guided by Kotler and Lee 2008, the campaign applies the 4 Ps of social marketing: the product, accessible HIV testing services promoted through online booking and referral channels. Two, the price, free or low cost testing, emphasizing affordability and confidentiality. Place, digital platforms such as Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, complemented by physical testing centers. Promotion, multi channel efforts, social media campaigns, influencer endorsements, brochures, flyers, posters to reinforce consistent messaging. Next, the next one for our campaign, the objective four, messaging framework and hashtags. The campaign's messaging framework centers on empowerment and normalization. Key hashtags include hashtag test to protect, hashtag end HIV stigma, and healthy choices PH. This aligned with Cialdini's 2003 concept of descriptive norms, showing that testing is common and socially approved. This is a powerful motivator for behavioral change. For the The content strategy leverages the Philippines' high social media penetration according to Statista 2025. It includes educational posts, debunking myths, and highlighting testing benefits, testimonial videos featuring real stories to reduce stigma, interactive content such as polls and quizzes to engage youth audiences. This approach transforms awareness into action through relatable, shareable content. And for our objective number six, a content calendar will guide posting frequency and thematic focus. Engagement strategies include responding to comments, hosting live Q&A sessions, and collaborating with online communities. Offline materials such as brochures, flyers, and posters will complement digital efforts, ensuring reach among populations with limited connectivity. This dual approach embodies the principle of social mobilization, where communication and participation converge to drive collective action. And for the advocacy identity, such as the UBAY concept, so here's the example to action. This is also an example of our flyer, the quick information handout. For the brochure, for the detailed information of our campaign, the infographic social media shareable, this is also an example. Like I've mentioned, the different hashtags that we're going to use. And this is the overall campaign. So the campaign type frames self-care as an empowerment rather than fear, encouraging you to take proactive steps toward testing and treatment. By integrating creativity, cultural relevance, and evidence-based communication, UBay aims to build a generation that values health, compassion, and informed choice. In summary, or all in all, Step 4 operationalizes the campaign's vision through a strategic planning, collaboration, and participatory communication. And like me as an educator and advocate, I believe that effective social marketing campaign is not just about spreading information. It's about creating systems that enable action and empowering communities to sustain change. Once again, thank you so much. And lastly, this is the example of our content calendar. This is also the sample of our posters, flyers, and brochures. And here's my references. Once again, thank you, God bless, and magandang buhay to each and every one of you. I'm Mr. Nariel A. Lastrolio from Dev 208. Thank you.